Dymaxion House, a Richard Buckminster Fuller invention by Philip Wong and Tania Mendes.
Richard Buckminster Fuller, also known as Bucky, is hailed as one of the greatest minds of our times. He was renowned for his comprehensive perspective on the world's problems.
For more than 5 decades, he developed pioneering solutions that reflected his commitment to the potential of innovative design to create technology that does more with less, and thereby improves human lives.
In 1927, after inventing an easily built air-delivered modular apartment building, he designed the Dymaxion House, an inexpensive mass-produced home that could be airlifted to its location. Originally called the 4D House, it was later renamed by a department store that displayed a model of the house.
The word Dymaxion was coined by store advertisers and trademarked in Fuller's name. Based on the words dynamic, maximum, and tension, it became a part of the name of many of Fuller's future inventions. The word became synonymous with his design philosophy of doing more with less, a phrase he later coined to reflect his growing recognition of the accelerating global trend toward the development of a more efficient technology.
The Dymaxion House was a prefabricated and environmentally efficient single-family dwelling unit that was intended to be easily transportable, erectable, and maintainable, as well as comfortable, affordable, and mass-producible.
The 100-square-meter hexagonal house was an earthquake and storm-resistant structure, supported by a central pole from which cables would be suspended, allowing the outer walls to be non-load-bearing. By grouping all permanent utilities in a central pole and letting the rest of the interior space remain modular, Fuller created a flexible plan that would allow tenants to transform the space according to their needs. The design also shows wind turbines on the roof and an extensive system of cisterns to collect and recycle water.
For the bathing unit, Fuller patented the Dymaxion bathroom, an invention that impacted Fuller's future designs significantly in plan and clearly reflected his many intentions within this project. The bathroom incorporated a shower that required only 1 cup of hot water and a toilet that consumed no water at all.
The Dymaxion dwelling machine was a prototype from which the Wichita House was built. It had a circular floor plan as opposed to the earlier hexagonal. It had bands of windows on thin-skinned walls, an airspace between the ground and the main floor, and a ventilator on its roof. The main shape was domed, creating a structure that reduced the need of materials. Its rounded corners, like the Dymaxion bathroom, maximized sanitation by ensuring optimal cleaning and stopping bacteria from being trapped in corners. The house weighed 3,000 pounds in comparison to the earlier 6,000, even though its size not greatly decreased from that of the other previous Dymaxion homes.
The central mast was 22 feet tall, and the ventilator that formed part of the roof was 18 feet in diameter. Overall, the building's diameter was 36 feet. It had a floor area of 1,017 square feet and a volume of 12,000 cubic feet. The house had 2 bathrooms, a living room, kitchen, 2 Dymaxion bathrooms, a revolving wardrobe on a vertical axis, and a laundry unit. All the utilities were grouped around the main mast. The house was prefabricated and assembled on site. It was constructed so that no single part weighed more than 10 pounds, and it had assembly feasible for 1 person alone. When it was built in the mid-1940s, the cost of a unit was $6,500 each.
2 Dymaxion homes were prototyped, one indoor and one outdoor. No Dymaxion houses were built according to Fuller's intentions, or ever lived in. In 1948, William Graham, a former investor in the project, purchased and combined both prototypes and created the Wichita House, which carried a refined version of the original Dymaxion home.
Blah! Bibliography.